Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Better English, the podcast that helps you grow your confidence, fluency, and love for the English language. I'm your host, Emma.
And I'm Jake, your guide through the English learning jungle. And today, we're diving into a topic I absolutely love: how I would learn English if I had to start from zero.
Oh yes, this is like pressing the reset button and designing the perfect plan. Whether you're a complete beginner or restarting your journey, this episode is for you. Jake, let's say you woke up today and didn't know a single word in English. Where would you begin?
I'd start by building the right mindset. Most people skip this, but it's honestly the most important foundation. I'd say to myself, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Every small step I take matters.
So before even picking up a book or watching a video, you'd focus on the mental approach.
Exactly. It's like fitness: if you believe you're too old, too slow, or not good enough, you'll give up fast. But if you believe improvement is possible, everything changes. I'd create affirmations, too. I am learning English every day. I am improving.
That's powerful, and I think a lot of learners feel discouraged because they compare themselves to others.
Right. I'd avoid that completely. No comparison. I'd track my own progress. And I'd keep it fun. Celebrate small wins. I said my first full sentence today. That mindset helps you keep going even when it feels hard.
Okay, mindset ready. What would be your first daily habit?
Input, definitely. Input is how you feed your brain the sounds, rhythm, and structure of English. I'd listen to slow English podcasts, watch cartoons or beginner videos, and read really simple content, like menus, signs, even English ads.
Would you worry about not understanding most of it?
No, because in the beginning, understanding 100% is not the goal. I'd aim for exposure. Maybe I only catch one word out of 5, but that's still a win. My brain is learning.
How long would you spend on this input?
At least 10 to 15 minutes daily. And I'd repeat the same material again and again until I feel more comfortable with it. For example, watching the same cartoon clip 5 times, noticing more each time.
Would you recommend any tools?
Yes. I'd use YouTube with auto subtitles, LingQ for reading, listening combos, and even just Netflix with English subtitles. The point is, input should be easy, enjoyable, and daily.
Let's talk speaking, one of the biggest fears for beginners. When would you start speaking?
Honestly, day 1. I'd start by repeating phrases out loud, even if I don't fully understand them yet. Saying them builds muscle memory.
Give us an example.
Sure. If I hear, "How are you?" I'd repeat it slowly, "How are you?" Then try it faster. I'd look in the mirror, say it with a smile, say it like I mean it. It's about confidence building.
What if they feel silly talking to themselves?
That's normal, but talking to yourself is one of the best tools. Describe what you're doing. I'm cooking rice. I'm washing dishes. This builds fluency in real-life situations.
And recording yourself?
Absolutely. I'd record myself saying 2 to 3 phrases daily. Then listen back to see how I sound. It's like training your accent and your brain at the same time.
Jake, what's the smartest way to learn vocabulary from zero?
Focus on high-frequency words, the words that show up most in daily conversations. Words like go, make, want, need, like, etc.
So no random word lists?
Right. No ostrich or volcano in week 1. I'd learn vocabulary in phrases, not isolation. Like, I want coffee. She needs help.
And how would you review them?
I'd use flashcards, digital ones like Anki or Quizlet. But even better, I'd try to use the new words in my daily speaking or writing. That's how you really remember.
Grammar can feel overwhelming. What's your advice?
Don't study grammar books. At least not at first. Instead, learn grammar by noticing patterns in real English.
Like what?
If I hear, "I'm learning English," then I might also hear, "She's learning English." From that, I can figure out, "Oh, am," and "is" change with the subject.
So copy and practice the structure first, then learn the rule later.
Exactly. Grammar becomes natural when it's experienced, not explained.
Let's say you want to make English part of your lifestyle. What would that look like?
I'd change my phone settings to English, follow English accounts on social media, and watch shows I already love, but in English. Like if I love cooking, I'd follow Gordon Ramsay's channel. If I like gaming, I'd watch English Twitch streamers.
So you're not just studying, you're living in the language.
Exactly. I'd also write short daily notes. Today I feel tired. I ate noodles. Over time, these small habits create huge gains.
Alright Jake, sum it up for us. What would a 30-day beginner action plan look like?
Sure, here's a step-by-step plan. Week 1. Watch 5 minutes of beginner English daily, with subtitles. Learn 3 new words in context. Speak 3 basic phrases aloud. Week 2. Shadow 1 short sentence daily. Write 2 new sentences. Talk to yourself for 3 minutes a day. Week 3. Record yourself speaking. Start reading very simple texts. Practice asking and answering simple questions. Week 4. Join an online group or app, like HelloTalk. Practice 1 mini conversation. Reflect daily. What did I learn today?
That's so doable. No pressure, just daily action.
Exactly. Little by little, a little becomes a lot.
So to recap, if Jake had to start English from zero, he'd focus on mindset, daily input, early speaking, real-world vocabulary, grammar by example, and turning English into a lifestyle.
It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent.
So if you're listening and you're just starting or feel stuck, take action today. Pick one strategy from this episode and start.
And if this episode inspired you, share it with a friend, follow the show, and leave us a comment. What's the one thing you would do if you started English from zero?
We're cheering for you every step of the way. Until next time, keep showing up, keep practicing, and never stop learning English.